Hello, my dear beauties. I am Usha Taneja and welcome you back on my YouTube channel UT Style and Beauty. Today's video is about to show how to drape sari, paper silk sari or cotton sari very quickly. Let's start with how to do. First, you have to wear this jewelry after wearing a sari, and you have to wear your heels first, and then keep your safety pin. That I have used only one, and if you need, you can use two or three. And be ready with the safety pins and the sari and petticoat and blouse worn on. Now take your sari. See where it's the downside, there should be a fall attached to it on the bottom. It's opposite to the pallu side. Now the petticoat string is at the side so that it is covered with the layers of sari pallu. Now keep it on a high platform or bed or chair or on the floor if it's clean, and tug the end side in your petticoat. Take care the bottom side touches the floor, and you should fit it, you should stretch it around the hips and then tug the upside inside the petticoat. Now get the pallu end and make its pleats. Keep the inside pleat in your right hand and the uppermost pleat on the left hand side, and then jerk it and try to make all the pleats in a straight line. You can spread it on a bed or a chair or a table, but I am not doing that because I can do like this. Make it straight pleats. Now these are done. Try to press all these pleats so that there should be a crease, a firm crease it's made. Collect all these pleats together and in the same width. Now get it in the left hand and move it to the right in the back side. Coming from the back side, put it on your shoulder and take the length is perfect. It should be around your knees, and tug all the pleats together with the blouse, and then set the pleats around your breast and take the upper portion of the left sari which we had left already for the pleats to be made, and with the right hand holding it firmly make pleats. It should be about 4 to 5 inches. Up to the last, wherever it is, and try to set it in the same line so that the upper pleat should be at the same height. Take care, watch carefully. all plates should be aligned. Try to make it perfect creasing. Hold firmly on the upper side and then tug it inside. And yes, these should also be aligned. Even you can sit on a chair and then do it. All these should be in straight line, perfectly creased, and press it so that it should not look so much fluffy. Take it up and then press it. Now it's perfect. And take care here, under the plates, the last plate should be a little bit low. Now yeah, it's done now. And the side plates, you can see hips are perfect. And now the side of pallu, and now it's done. It's done very quickly. So as I have to go outside to attend a meeting, and I have already done my makeup, created my makeup look, natural rainy day look, and now wearing my jewelry. You can also wear whatever you like with it, and then comb your hair. Now I am ready with my hair combed and clipped, with makeup, light makeup, natural rainy day look makeup, and my light jewelry. uh, uh, I am going outside to attend a meeting, and see you in the next video with some other topic. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.